Is it recording? Decaf, what are you got on your head? What is that? Are those antlers with light bulbs? Is that a jingle bell on your collar? What is that? Can I see on the back of it? Look, it's a peppermint chew bone on the back. And the jingle bell collars. You're being all good because Daddy's holding on to the ball. It's the only reason you're sitting still. Decaf. Tell her to speak.
Sing. 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 You can sing. 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 Sing.